And a little 6K for y'all.
That's a big pack. $30,000 all blues are like 6 racks. 6 shot, dirty Harry, flex to get a 6. I don't want that little pussy, you let anybody hit that. He tried to fuck my bitch.
What's going on, y'all? We're just gonna mainly just testing out this new mic. I'm hoping that everything with this ride turns out good, like camera wise, quality wise, audio wise. I'm gonna strap this helmet up and wait for the bike to warm up for a couple seconds, and I guess we'll go get some gas in this bad boy. You know, I don't really see a lot of like, I really don't see anybody at all making like a moto vlog style content that has a Gen 3 Hayabusa. So I kind of figured it would be pretty cool if I were to like get a setup and actually make some good videos. Wondering how this wind noise is gonna sound, because it, like, today is super windy. Like, it's blowing me all across the road on this thing already. So I'm really hoping that this mic is pretty good on like suppressing some of the wind noise, and I'm hoping that it can pick up the exhaust of the bike a little bit too. I mean, it's not insanely loud, but at the same time I don't want you guys to not be able to hear it at all, you feel me? That's how you know it's about to get warm in Delaware. When you start seeing boat trailers everywhere, that's how you know it's starting to get warm outside. If you couldn't tell already, that's how you would know. You will see boat trailers and lawnmowers and landscapers and all types of telltale signs. I should have took the back roads, but I need some gas. My bad, sir. I'm not really in the intersection. This guy behind me is. What the fuck are y'all doing? You have a Delaware tag and you don't know that you can't turn into Wawa from the other entrance? Come on now. Y'all know better. It says the frickin' pump is offline. Not bad. Quick little $13. I didn't put my phone in my bag. No. Let me put it in my bag real quick before I freaking drop it, because I do not need to drop this phone. I need to get like one of them little mounts that go in your in the triple tree. Man, this wind is freaking crazy today. Oh my goodness. Jeez, dude. Turning this way. Sorry about the no turn signal. Woo! Man, this bike, for being such a big bike, this thing freaking handles amazing. Like corners, no problem. Oh shit. Not sure what happened there. That's one of the things I'm talking about. This quick shifter can be like a little iffy sometimes. Like, I don't like, you have to like jam it up into the next gear. And I'm trying to get some good back roads, but of course there's people on the back roads every time I'm trying to go ride. Got a little straight shot on this road to the left. Might be able to get a little pull in. Let's see. Signal on and everything. I'm out here looking like a squid, bro. But like, what y'all think of that little pull? Like the booster, like for sure, it's definitely not no road race bike just yet, but it's definitely fast for a bone stock Gen 3 Hayabusa. Yo, this thing surprised me. Like when I first started riding it, I really didn't like understand like the traction control and all the different modes and everything. But now that I have some seat time and I'm getting more comfortable with the bike, like I'm still not comfortable to the point where if I'm in first gear I can lock the throttle and just control the bike. Like nah, I'm not to that point yet, but you feel me? We're gonna get there. And you know, every time I ride the bike I'm definitely getting more seat time and I'm getting more comfortable. Get a little back road action. Nothing too crazy. I'm not trying to ride too far today, honestly, because it looks like it wants to rain. See that fucking bug just hit me in my chest like a bullet? Jesus. Man, one thing I do want to do for y'all real quick. Matter of fact, this road right here is not a bad place to do it. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a launch real quick. This is a pretty decent road to do it on. It's not that long, but I'll give my enough room for shutdown. Road doesn't look too bad. We go ahead and put it in the launch control mode. All you gotta do is just hold down the start button. These bars are gonna pop up. First bar is 4K RPM, 6K RPM, 8K RPM, and a little 6K for y'all. I held the clutch a little bit too long on that one, but I was honestly scared that front wheel was about to come up. This is bone stock suspension, no front strap, no lowering links, nothing. This is bone stock Gen 3 Hayabusa. Nothing done to it. And that honestly wasn't bad. That was a lot more. I liked the throttle a lot more on that one than I did the last time I launched the bike, but that time she felt like she was like, you boy, you feel me? But man, you two, we're pulling back up to the crib. I think that's gonna be a wrap for this little test video slash little moto vlog type thing. But man, I honestly hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope that everything turned out good, audio wise, quality wise. Got Rex outside chilling, waiting for me to get back. Hey Rexy boy, Rexy, Rex. But man, YouTube, I'm gonna go in this garage. Hopefully in the near future, we are gonna tear this thing down and start working on this. As much as I'm dreading doing this job, it has to be done. We're gonna get this car right. We're gonna get the booster right. Y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. This summer we gonna turn up. Got the motovlogs coming, so y'all stay tuned, man. Love y'all. See y'all.